Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Pagani. And no, it's not a Zonda, it's not a Huayra, it's a Utopia, the newest one. I was eagerly waiting for this one. When I saw the pictures, really wanted this one. So it's from Mainline. Let's open it up and see how does it look. Before I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you like my videos, leave a comment, share it with your friends. But let's open it up now. So here is the Pagani Utopia. It's a very different color. You don't normally see these colors on the cars anymore. Earlier cars, they were very common. Like in older cars, you would see this beige kind of color, solid colors actually. So let's see how does it look from the front. Again, good details up front. You got the detailed headlamp. You got this detailed bit in the center. I don't know what it is. Again, there is the grille. There's a fog lamp, but those are not detailed. Probably that can be added. I like that its front is like a cockpit. I like that. It's a race car. It's not a race car, but it's a kind of race car. It's a supercar. Looks good. Now coming to the driver's side. Why did Hot Wheels give this these wheels? These look, even if they didn't chrome it, it would look much better, in my opinion. Like gray, metal gray or black would have looked much better. But again, it's alright. It's just a Mainline Hot Wheels. You can see the crazy doors here, and surprisingly, the base is the same color. Kind of helps with the entire body color. And I don't know what's written on the side. It's Pagani something. It's very small. Damn, I'm getting old. So, but it looks good from the side. It is missing the mirrors. I would have loved to see the mirrors on it, but then Paganis come with crazy mirrors, which Hot Wheels definitely won't be able to do on this small size of costume. So this is how it looks from the top. Looks really good. Coming to the back, again you can see the hints of older Paganis in it, with the tail lamp and the exhaust. But again, they are not detailed. They can be detailed if you want, but right now they are not. They are there though. Now coming to the passenger side. How did I mess it up? Oh, this is the driver's side. Sorry. Coming to the driver's side, it looks almost identical. I don't see any major differences here. Did you see this crazy arrow everywhere? So overall, I say this casting looks really nice. A better set of wheels would have made it look even better. But I'm waiting when Hot Wheels does a premium of it. It should really look really good. Yeah, I do also like the maroon interior. Looks good. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.